here's a question.
Yes.
This is the wealth corner of the entire apartment.
Correct.
But that's the wealth corner of just the room.
Yes.
So which one trumps?
What do you do? Well, here's the thing. It's a choice. If you want, you can just work in the overall corners for the whole apartment. But if it's something that you really want to work on, you could do both. And that way you're sort of double teaming it and you've got two corners to work on. That's often done. It depends on how it feels to you. You know, if it's really a problem, I would go ahead and do both. But of course, just the way energy flows and moves and changes, so would your wealth. So if you adjusted both of those corners and you saw a result and it was flowing the way you wanted to, then maybe you could change one of them. Or then the focus goes to a different area in your life, and that's what you're going to focus on, and the area you're going to focus on in your room. So it's really about you and what feels important to you. So, you know, if it doesn't feel like overkill to do both, I would do both. If you started out just doing a change in the overall wealth corner, which is where I would start, and it felt like enough, then I wouldn't bother with the other wealth corner. So there isn't a hard, fast rule to that. It's really about how you feel. And energy is sensitive, and you don't want to do too much at once. So you want to just do one, let it sit for a couple days, see how it feels, and then go, you know, I really think that I should do that other corner.
So knocking a doorway into every wall so that they're all wealth corners is probably overkill.
Little bit.
All right.
Thanks.